So now let's see how we can set any objects as background inside of Microsoft Designer. So to do that, you need to go around onto the visual section right here. And what you can do is you can search out for any image right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say mountains right here, just like this. So once I do that, mountain related images and objects pop up. So if there's any picture that I want to set as a background or an object right here, just like this, I can simply go around and click on it. And once I do that, I can click on set as background where when this picture is actually selected, or you can right click over here and set it as a background, just like this. If you want to go around and change around the background position, then you can go around over here onto the crop section and click and drag it out right here, just like this. You can also click and drag it out right here and move it around however you like. Press the done button, and then this is what you have, as you can see. You can also go around over here and then, let's say, for example, detach out the background so that it becomes as it is right here, just like this. So if I were to go around onto visual section right here, I can bring in any objects. So let's just go around and close this, and let's say I want to go around and bring in this particular shape right here. I can also set this out as a background over here, just like this, as you can see right here. I can go around and crop it, and I can resize this out and then set it out as a background, just like this as well. And that is how you can go around and set objects or pictures as backgrounds inside of Microsoft Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.